See the crocodile in the Hiran River. Floating in the Hiran River. Crocodile in the Hiran River. See the big crocodile in the Hiran River, and in the background you can see all the ibis birds. This is one of the most natural and beautiful sights. You see the crocodile? This is the crocodile, and all the ibis birds are having their fish. This is in near the Gir National Park. This is a beautiful sight, and you must, all nature lovers, bird watchers should come here to experience this nature's beauty. This is really amazing. You can see all the ibis birds in the background. Oh, see this Indian flycatcher. Indian paradise flycatcher in the background. Oh yes. There you see all the birds. And crocodiles moving in the background. Excellent sight. See this stork, and crocodile is moving near the bird. See the crocodile moving near the bird. Oh. This is an excellent sight. The ibis bird in the background, and crocodile is moving in front. Yes. All nature lovers should always come here to experience these bird sightings and see the different birds and crocodiles. All different types of crocodiles you can experience here.